Welcome to Best Choice. The best Autel Evo 2 Dual is probably one of the most versatile and powerful drones on the market, especially for those who need both high-resolution visual and thermal imaging capabilities in a single, compact package. Whether you're a professional photographer, a first responder, a building inspector, or an outdoor enthusiast, this drone offers an unparalleled combination of advanced features, robust performance, and user-friendly operation, making it a standout choice for a wide range of demanding applications. Number 5. DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo. Introducing the DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo. It takes the power and portability of aerial photography to a whole new level, making stunning results easier than ever before. Equipped with a 1.2-inch CMOS sensor, it captures impressive 48MP photos and 4K 60 frames per second video. The advanced OcuSync 2.0 ensures a stable video transmission up to 6.2 miles away. Enjoy an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes for epic shots. With obstacle sensing in 3 directions, it offers enhanced safety and convenience for all pilots. Effortlessly keep your subject centered with intelligent shooting functions like Active Track 3.0. Spotlight 2.0 and POI 3.0 allow you to focus on flying while it tracks moving subjects. The Fly More combo includes everything you need to get started, from extra batteries and propellers to a convenient shoulder bag and ND filters. Control and capture your world with the intuitive DJI Fly app, compatible with a wide range of iOS and Android devices. What we like. If you are looking for a drone that excels in content creation with impressive photo and video capabilities, this is a great choice. Its advanced camera system and intelligent shooting modes make aerial photography accessible and easy. Consider this if you prioritize stunning visuals and user-friendly operation for your creative projects. What people say. The thermal camera resolution is 640 x 512, which is excellent for detecting heat signatures. The dual camera system allows for simultaneous recording of both visual and thermal imagery, providing comprehensive data. The drone's obstacle avoidance system is very effective, making it safe to fly in complex environments. Number 4. Autel Robotics Evo 2 Smart Battery. Experience an impressive 40 minutes of flight time with this high-performance LiPo battery. For the best experience, always ensure it's fully charged before you take off. This battery is designed to work perfectly with a wide range of Autel Evo 2 series drones, including the 8K, Pro, Enterprise, RTK, and Dual models. It's also compatible with the official charger hub. Easily monitor its charge level with the built-in LED indicators that show progress during charging. It also features safety protections against short-circuiting and overcharging. Changing the battery is a breeze thanks to the convenient finger grips. This allows for quick replacements, minimizing downtime and keeping you in the air longer. Remember to power off the drone before swapping. We stand by our product with a 30-day replacement or refund policy and 12 months of free after-sales service. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. What we like. If maximizing your flight time and minimizing downtime is crucial, this battery is for you. Its extended capacity ensures you can capture more footage on a single charge. Choose this if you are an existing Autel Evo 2 user who needs reliable, long-lasting power for extended aerial sessions. What people say. The thermal camera is incredibly sensitive, picking up heat signatures from a great distance. The dual camera system offers fantastic versatility, allowing for both visual and thermal imaging simultaneously. The drone's flight stability is excellent, even in windy conditions, providing smooth footage. Number 3. Autel Robotics Evo 2 Intelligent Battery. Experience up to 40 minutes of flight or 35 minutes of hovering. This high-capacity battery ensures you can capture more from the sky without interruption. Designed specifically for the Autel Evo 2 series, including the 8K, Pro 6K, Enterprise, RTK, and Dual models. It's the perfect fit for your drone. Get back in the air quickly with a full charge in about 90 minutes. Advanced safety features protect against overcharging and overheating for peace of mind. Easily check your power levels with 4 smart LED indicator lights. They show the remaining charge in real time and automatically turn off when fully charged. This is an original accessory from Autel Robotics, ensuring quality and performance. Enjoy a risk-free purchase with our comprehensive after-sales support. What we like. For Autel Evo 2 drone owners seeking a dependable power source, this intelligent battery is an excellent option. It offers a substantial flight duration and ensures safe, efficient charging. If you value peace of mind with smart safety features and quick charging times, this is the battery for your drone. What people say. The thermal camera is very sensitive and can detect temperature differences as small as 50 mK. The drone has a flight time of up to 40 minutes on a single charge, which is impressive for a drone of its size. The obstacle avoidance system is excellent, with sensors on all sides of the drone, providing a high level of safety during flight. Number 2. Autel Robotics Evo 2 Dual 640 TV3 Drone. Introducing the Autel Robotics Evo 2 Dual 640 TV3, a cutting-edge drone featuring a 640 by 512 thermal imaging sensor. It supports remote ID and boasts a 0.8-foot CMOS and 50 MP 8K RYYB sensor for unparalleled detail. Experience a new generation of thermal sensing. Its high-resolution thermal camera improves efficiency, reduces inspection time, and costs. It can recognize subjects up to 100 meters away, providing exceptional detail in dark environments. This drone is equipped with a 50 MP camera with 4x lossless zoom and 16x digital zoom. It helps you capture every minute detail, assisting in precise evidence gathering and documentation. It features Democrat Rhode Island ranges for detection, recognition, and identification of objects. With over 10 temperature measurement modes, it offers comprehensive thermal analysis tools for various complex scenarios. Equipped with 19 groups of sensors, it builds 3D maps and plans paths in real time. Enjoy up to 38 minutes of flight time for maximum operational possibilities. Upgraded with Skylink 2.0, it offers video transmission up to 15 kilometers with 2.7K image quality. Its tri-band communication ensures maximum anti-interference capability. This drone is ideal for firefighting, security, inspections, emergency rescue, and more. It enhances productivity by enabling all-round detection and reducing safety risks during operations like roof inspections. What we like. If your work involves critical inspections, search and rescue, or public safety operations, this drone is indispensable. Its advanced thermal and visible cameras provide unparalleled detail for analysis in complex environments. You should consider this if you need a professional-grade tool for demanding industrial or emergency applications. What people say. The thermal camera is excellent and has multiple color palettes to choose from, making it easy to identify heat signatures. The drone is very stable in windy conditions, and the flight time is impressive, allowing for extended aerial surveys. The dual camera system provides both high-resolution visual and thermal imaging, which is incredibly useful for detailed inspections and situational awareness. Number 1. Autel Robotics Evo 2 Series Drone Fly More Kit. Elevate your flight experience with the Autel Robotics Evo 2 Series Drone Fly More Kit. This comprehensive accessory bundle is designed to enhance your aerial adventures. It's compatible with a wide range of Autel Evo 2 models, including the Pro, V2 and V3, Enterprise, RTK, and Dual versions. Ensure you have the right accessories for your specific drone. Keep flying longer with 2 intelligent flight batteries included. Never miss a moment with the power to extend your flight sessions. The 4-in-1 charging hub allows you to charge multiple batteries simultaneously. This means less downtime and more time in the air. Equipped with 2 pairs of low-noise propellers, you can enjoy quieter and more stable flights. These are designed for optimal performance and reduced sound. Carry your drone and all its accessories with ease using the included travel bag. It's perfect for protecting your gear on the go. What we like. If you frequently fly your Autel Evo 2 drone and want to be prepared for longer missions, this kit is essential. It provides the necessary accessories to keep you in the air and organized. Choose this if you are an active user who wants to enhance their flying experience with extended power and convenient portability. What people say. The Autel Evo 2 Dual has a 640 by 512 thermal sensor and a 50 MP camera. The drone has a 40-minute flight time and a 5.6-mile transmission range. The Evo 2 Dual is equipped with obstacle avoidance in all directions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.